So with my recent order for Man in the Box, I always like to pick up small little things while I'm there. And one of the new things they have for the Monkey and the GROM are these sensor protectors. This raw one I'm going to put on my Monkey because it has the silver engine case, and this black one I'm going to go ahead and put it on my GROM because that's got a black engine case. So there's already a factory guard here for the sensor, but it's kind of stamped steel and it's not that pretty. So what this bracket does is replace this protector here and gives you a nice little customized look. So let's go ahead and get this thing on there. So this is a pretty simple installation. You just got the 8mm bolt into the side of the cylinder head. It's on there pretty tight actually for a little bolt. Pop that bracket off, and it's attached to a wire loom. So we're gonna disconnect this push pin here, and that's gonna get reinstalled in the new piece. And you can see there's a little locating pin right here, so that's gonna tell you where you want to be when you install this. I'm gonna put this on the outside. It looks like it's the only place that can really fit. And as you see there, the stock bolt will not fit, but they supply a new bolt. And the new bolt is a hex head, which looks a lot nicer. Just a 5mm Allen key for that. You have a nice flush sensor guard now. And this is more of a looks thing, for my opinion. So, it looks pretty cool on there. Cleans up the finish a bit on your motor, and pretty cool.